Hi folks, this is a quick little video showing you how to shrink your file so that when you upload you're able to get it under 100 megabytes as required in JetNet. So the simple way to do this is always check before you're ready to save, compress, and upload for submission. Always check your file size within Photoshop. So go to Image, Image Size. And here, if you see it's 100% by 100% width and height, you want to double check and just see what the inches are. 51 by 34, that's rather large. So as long as you've got this little link selected here, we want to make sure that it's proportionate when you change the size. This is rather large of a size, so I would go from inches to percent, make it 50%, and you can see they both shrunk 50-50 because this was selected. And then you make sure your resolution is 72 and not 300 or anything above 72 because we're just using this for screen purposes. Okay, so say OK, and your image gets a lot smaller. If you want to check the image size again, just to make sure it worked, image size. If you notice that it's still big when you go to save, make sure that the resolution is 72. A lot of times people aren't checking in both places. So resolution must be 72, and if it isn't, type in 72 and say OK, and then you'll notice your image will shrink. And then, of course, check your inches now. You notice it's 25 by 17. That's still pretty big. So you could even shrink that a little bit smaller. You could even make it half and say OK. So this is a really small file. So if I go back to image size and I go back to inches to check its size, it's 12 by 8 at 72 resolution. This is only 1.62 megabytes. So that gives you an idea of how large a file will be based on its resolution and size. And so surely that will fit under a 100 megabyte file size. Okay? Good luck. If you have any questions, let me know.